Okay, now they go. Okay, don't look at them. Maybe they'll start playing.
Get it right now. Get one of
Oh
them.
yeah, I'm getting all of it.
Getting it all?
Yeah.
You're filming it?
Yep. Perfect. Bowzer.
Look at him. He doesn't put his paw on him. He just puts it up like, come on.
Bowzer.
Easy, Bob. Is that your baby? That your baby? Look at how he's friggin' far he's leaning out. He's going out of his natural.
So cute. Did he touch him?
Just barely.
Oh, Bowzer, be careful.
Be careful, Bowzer. Bowzer, easy, easy, easy. He got him in the ear when we were telling him that too. Easy, Bowzy. Easy, Bowzer. I know he's playing rough, but that's all he knows. He doesn't have a mouth. He doesn't have hands. All he got is a mouth. Bowzer, be nice. He's like, no, you can't do that. I won't let you do that. He's playing with him. He would let him smell him, but he's playing with him now. He doesn't care. He smells him.
They're so cute.
It's funny. And he yells back. He yells back at him. Easy, Bowzer. He just wants to smell your butthole. That's what dogs do.
Everything you're saying, everyone's going to hear, Molly.
Easy, Bowzer, easy. He would turn his tail and let you smell him, but he doesn't want to. He wants to play. Doesn't Charlie want to play? Charlie's got the voice here. He's the upper man. He's the older man. This thing comes in your house and all of a sudden he's telling you what to do. Huh? Telling you what to do. Ooh.
I think he's done. He's
Charlie
like, okay,
Hawk!
that was good enough.